Hello everyone. Then we see the next practical experiment, and the experiment name is the FET as a CS amplifier. Then what is the FET? FET is an we use the FET BFW10. Okay, BFW10 is an PNPN JFET. Its recovery time is much faster compared to other transistor. The B means silicon, F means transistor, high frequency, low power, which is a bit random, as a BF can mean a high frequency bipolar transistor or a FET. The W10 part is the manufacturer's designation of it. Has 4 terminals, okay, named source, drain, gate, and the body. Source is the terminal through which the majority charge carriers are entered in the FET. Then drain is the terminal through which the majority charge carriers exit from the FET, and source and gate is the middle terminal. Okay, then apparatus of this experiment: FET BFW 10 resistors. In this experiment we use 3 resistors. Then capacitors, we use the 2 capacitors. Then FG means a frequency generator or function generator for give input frequency. Then CRO, cathode oscilloscope, for give the output of the output waveform of this experiment, means the observations. Then power supply, we use 10 volt positive power supply. Multimeter for the output resistance measured. Okay, then we see the part first, determination of voltage gain. In this part we see the 2 observations. First observation is the input voltage in volt, the second is output voltage in volt, and we calculate the calculation, means voltage gain equal to V out divided V in. We get the voltage gain. Then procedure for this experiment: first connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Then second, connect AC input signal of 1 kHz with proper amplitude from frequency generator. And third, observe the input and output waveform on CRO. Fourth is measure the voltage of input and output waveform on CRO and note down it, calculate the voltage gain. The second part of this experiment is the determination of output impedance. Okay, procedure for this output impedance: first connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Second, connect AC input signal of 1 kHz with proper amplitude from frequency generator. Third, observe the output waveform on CRO. Fourth, measure the output voltage by remove the infinity key from resistance box and note down the reading, it is V out. Then fifth, now removing the key from resistance box in such a way that the output voltage is reduced to half of the output voltage. In this experiment we use the extra component is the pot 10 kilo ohm, or we use the resistance box. Okay, then third part is the in the second part we observe the observations. The first observation is the output voltage we have in volt by removing the infinity key. Then second is the resistance required in reduce the output voltage up to V out by 10, V out by 2 equal to in resistance ohm. Then part third is determination of input impedance. Procedure is the first, connect the circuit as per diagram, get it check and apply to the circuit. Then second is to connect AC input signal of proper amplitude from frequency generator at 1 kHz. Then third, measure the voltage at point B A and point B by using CRO and calculate input impedance. In this experiment we use extra component is the 10 kHz resistance in this base of in this gate of this FET. Okay, then observations are: first, the input resistors are in 10 kilo ohm. Then second, applied input voltage V in 1 volt. Then these readings V and VB, we use a multimeter for the measure the voltages. The third is the voltage measured at point A is VA in volt. Fourth is voltage measured at point B is VB in volt. Okay, calculations are voltage drop across input resistors, that means VAB equal to VA minus VB in volt. Input current I in equal to VAB upon R in equal to VAB upon 10 kilo ohm in ampere. Then input impedance of CS amplifier circuit Z in equal to VI in upon I in equal to ohm, means in kilo ohm. Then the result, the parameter of the common source amplifier are first the voltage gain AV, means no unit of this voltage gain. The second is the input impedance, that means Z in, and third is the output impedance, this is the Z out. Here our chart description for the experiment FET as a CS amplifier is complete. Okay, thank you.